how to make money on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can make money through TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make money on TikTok, it's a very simple thing. It's just like on YouTube, but you don't get money with ads. You get money with gifts, and you convert that gifts into your currency or fiat currency in this case. So there are some eligibility criteria as to be eligible for gifts for live videos or video gifts and so on. So to do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Then once you launch the TikTok app, tap on the profile icon over here. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to go to the option called Creator Tools. Now to find this option called Creator Tools, you must already have a creator account. So if you have first not switched your creator account, go to Settings and Privacy, go to Account over here, and then go to the option called Switch to Business or Creator Account in this case. Then what you want to do is just come back again, tap on the three lines and go to Creator Tools. Once you go to Creator Tools, you can save subscription and you can save video gifts. So video gifts is one of the most popular ways to make money. You can just go ahead and turn on a gift section over here. It says viewers can send gifts on eligible videos when this feature is turned on. But in order for this video gifts to be turned on, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. Videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts, have an account that's been active for at least 30 days, meet the age requirement, and accounts not used by government, politicians, and political parties. You just want to keep these things in mind. And then after that, you just want to come back, and you can also find another way to make money is via live subscription. So whenever you go live on TikTok, your viewers can actually send you different types of gifts, and you should be able to go ahead and then make money on TikTok. That's all it takes to make money on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.